Kohli should go. Just go. Go wherever you want. Don't be here. He's losing his patience. He's losing his respect. I'm just gone crazy for 16, 17 years. Nothing, bro. Waste. They have to just reset once for all.
I think, we played well for a couple of 5-6 overs, and then when the wicket of Kohli went down, we're like, oh, now Kohli's gone, what next? And then Faf carried us as much as he could, but the inconsistency in the team this season is something that needs to be looked at.
Are you embarrassed as an RCB fan tonight?
I'm going to change the team. Next year, we've already decided no more burning of money on them. We go straight to KKR because it's just so depressing and it feels too bad.
The videos that we have made when Head and Klasin were hitting it out of the park, it was absolutely amazing.
I feel RCB lost this entire season
पता है हम लोग मैच कहाँ आ रहे कहाँ
at the auction. Where are the batsmen? We are relying on a 40-year-old retired Indian wicketkeeper to
The commentator.
exactly who's a commentator, right?
Can we appreciate DK?
100%. And DK again was a silver lining, 83 of 35. But this guy is a commentator and we love him to bits.
Exactly.
They go whack here, everywhere.
कंट्रोल मजनू कंट्रोल
And you must have had fun. No, nothing at all.
We enjoyed shouting, screaming in the crowd. Otherwise, match was all BS.
Yes.
VIP ticket. I went to a VIP ticket. And more than 30,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Look at him. He spent 30,000.
M2 ಹೋಗಿರೋದು ನಾನು 4 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು. 4 ಜನ
6,000 ಇರೋನು 12,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ.
True or false? RCB planned the unbox event better than the IPL.
True. The management is horrible.
ಸಿರಾಜ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಲಾಕಿ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಗೆಲ್ತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಖಂಡಿತ. ಈ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಆನ್.
It's been horrible, and if it doesn't improve immediately, I think we're out in the title race. So
अबे चुप, तू मैदान में था ही कब?
Pretty sad because our bowlers really haven't done anything this season, and it's just been our batters who have been firing.
In the initial overs, we thought that we could win.
But later we came out before the game ended. I came out on in the 16th over. I guess I came out.
What do you support?
I support RCB, that's why I'm furious. What the fuck? I want us to win a title.
राधा को बाधा हुई है मंजुलिका की.
The biggest mistake that the RCB management did was sacking Mike Hasen. That guy had some brains.
I agree with you.
I'm just very, very upset that I spent so much of money on this guy. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Day, taking permission from office and then coming to see this crap. Very, very.
It's a Monday, RCB. Wake up and smell the fucking coffee.
Yesterday you see Chennai versus Mumbai. How Chennai defended the score in Mumbai home ground. Because they had target outside the off stump, technique, slow balls, space change balls. But RCB bowlers, definitely they don't have brains. They go with a pace, same way balls are getting hit across.
We have mini Heinrich Klaasen here by the looks of it. Look at him, he literally looks identical. You had a fantastic outing, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it was tops. I was on TV a couple of times, and Klaasen batted quite well, and Travis hit.
It's Chinnaswamy first of all, and it's RCB. So any record can be broken while the opponent team is batting.
Even my producer is not having the best of days. And let's just get his thoughts, because Vikas fucking is diabolical right now, bro. And what do you feel? What are your thoughts as an RCB fan?
I mean, you are coming on the ground. You have like Abhishek Sharma is there, Travis said. You have no plans. I mean, 288, bro. 288. You just can't get hit for 288 runs. It's as simple as that.
I'm sick and tired now. I don't know what to do. Very good.
You can't always be smiling.
You can see this.
You can't.
I will always keep smiling because of my team. It is not only a team, it is emotion.
Let's do the fighting spirit. That's all we're asking. We knew it's a tough task, but at least get there, and then if you lose, you'll still lose. But then we just left it, and then
But is this the new low for RCB?
I think they have to pick it up a lot.
we have to change the bowlers and we need some more Karnataka players in our team.
I think the batting is good today, but there was no required for Saurav Chauhan to play because he's not in form and he's not that good player. They could have given chance to someone else. They could have given chance to Suyash Prabhudesai. I guess he would have hit some more 6s and 4. I guess.
You're still a young RCB fan. How much pain do you think you can take for the rest of your life?
3 years.
3 years, and then after that you give up?
Yeah.
3 saal.
See, I'm used to it now.
But this is the lowest of lows, brother.
No expectations, no sorrows.
But still, we can comfort however we want to comfort each other and sleep at night. But
Mumbai fan.
no wonder you're saying that. And what would you change? Would you retain Kohli next year?
Yeah, but better players. Better players.
Better players?
It'll obviously get better from here.
Are you sure?
Some of them played really well today.
It wasn't a boring match. They played very well.
But do you think RCB were embarrassed by their bowlers today? Let down.
They might have to work on bowlers a bit.
But doesn't your blood boil?
It does, but then it was a nice game. I watched Virat play.
बस तुम्हें देख लिया अब तुम चले जाओ
Do you think at some point in time the fans will boycott?
I think that's the spirit of being an RCB fan.
Absolutely, that's what
Nah.
that's what sets us apart.
I would-
regardless of how the players play, and they have their highs and lows.
Really?
Yeah, but this is not something new to us. So our support will be there for RCB always. And this is how we are going to support RCB for the next upcoming matches as well.
Right here on her arm, she's got hit by that ball. Who was it? Who were the 6?
I don't remember. I was so mesmerized. I was like, oh my god, I was enthusiastic. And at the same moment, it hit my hand and hit my head. And I was like, I just imagined every fucking best day of my life. And I was like, damn, yes.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಸಿಬಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ನ 7 ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇದೆ 7 ಗೆದ್ರು ಇನ್ನ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ
ಇನ್ನ 50 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗ್ಲಿ RCBನೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ 7 ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಗೆದ್ರು ಈಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ
You're watching the Cricket.com fan cams live right now. Thank you.